RaMusi promises to be your go-to music app, but does it really deliver? If you're looking for a fresh way to enjoy your favorite tracks or discover new ones, stick around as we dive into what this app has to offer and what it might be missing. RaMusi is designed to be an all-in-one music app that combines streaming, personalized playlists, and social features. At its core, the app lets users create and share playlists, which is great for connecting with friends and discovering music through their tastes. The interface is visually appealing and seems intuitive, making it easy for anyone to jump in without feeling overwhelmed. One standout feature is the smart recommendation engine, which claims to tailor suggestions based on your listening habits. However, while the app does offer a decent library of tracks, I noticed that some popular songs were missing. This could be a deal breaker for some users who are particular about their playlists. Another aspect that could use improvement is the search functionality. It feels a bit clunky at times, which can be frustrating when you're trying to find that one specific song. Overall, RaMusi has potential, but there are definitely areas that need refinement for a smoother user experience. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, RaMusi's social sharing features are a fun way to engage with friends and discover new music. The app's design is sleek and modern, which makes it visually appealing. However, the cons are hard to ignore. The limited song library might frustrate music lovers who expect a comprehensive selection. Additionally, the search function could use some serious work. It doesn't always return the results you'd hope for. Trust signals are also a bit murky. There isn't a lot of user feedback available yet, which leaves some uncertainty about the app's reliability and long-term viability. So, while RaMusi has some great aspects, it may not suit everyone, especially if you're a die-hard music fan with specific tastes. In conclusion, RaMusi is worth trying if you're looking for a new music app, especially for its social features and design. However, if you want access to a vast library of songs or a reliable search experience, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it feels like a work in progress, and I'm curious to see how it evolves.